Hey, Zach Lamphere, first box break ever, 2006-2007 NBA basketball upper deck sweet shot. Supposed to get 2 autos, 2 jerseys per box, and yeah. So this doesn't get too messed up. Let's hope for a nice LeBron or something. I'm not a big basketball guy, but I figured it'd be a fun box to break. Alright. 12 packs, 4 cards a pack. Start breaking. See if I get anything good. So for some mojo, as people like to say on Beckett.com. Dirk Nowitzki, jersey card. Not a bad way to start off. Pretty good, I think. Hope we get some good autos. Dirk card would have been nice. See if I can keep my luck rolling. Nothing in that second pack, but hey, can't complain. 12 packs, 4 hits. Start off with 1. I do believe this will be another hit. I am correct. It would be a Marcus Williams Sweet Spot rookie autograph, drafted 22nd overall by the Mets, numbered out of 799. Zoom in on this for you. Try to at least. Still getting used to this. Just got the camera the other day. Alright, not bad, not bad. Check out this next pack. Filler, makes sense, right? Nothing great. How will LeBron James get swept in the finals? Ooh, made my day. Got a parallel here. It would be a Zydrunas Iguanas. I can't say his name. Numbered out of 199. 101 out of 199. Not bad, but not great. Not gonna make his box, you know. Oh, whoa! They fell down. Got a nice Shaq card. Interesting face on that one. Alright, final 6 packs. It's gonna be a quick break. See how it's going. Hope this side's good too. Alright, jersey card in this pack. First pack. Sweet swatches, Rashad Lewis and John Petro duel. Numbered 11 out of 199. Not bad. Sonics duel. Let's zoom up on this. Try to get a good glimpse of it. It's not bad. Always nice to get a 2-piece jersey. Good duel. Multicolored, which is nice. 1 red and 1 white. See if this side follows the same path as the other one did, with the auto being in the 3rd pack. Filler again. Jason Kidd, about the best base in there. Another filler. Ben Gordon, good for me, Bulls fan. Always like getting a nice Ben Gordon. Add that to the collection. Ooh, this pack feels kind of weird. Feels like there aren't too many cards in it. Yep, just straight 4 cards in that pack. Alright, here we go. 2 packs left. Hopefully I'll pull another numbered card and then an auto in the last pack. Go now. Nothing numbered. Final pack, definitely can tell, autograph. Let's hope it's something good. Oh boy, this is a thick card. Wow. Oh, Carmelo Anthony. Wow, definitely got my break going here. Some good mojo. Carmelo Anthony, sweet spot signatures on a baseball.
This is great for me because I am a baseball collector. It's the first basketball box I have ever bought as a complete box. Wow. That's a nice card. Well,
Let me zoom in real quick, get a glimpse of all the pulls. Throw the Shaq card in there just for the heck of it. Let's go. I think this was a pretty good break, actually. Let's see now. Here we go. I'm going to get them all in real quick. Get this tag out of here now. Just a little quick glimpse on them all. Not bad. Pretty sweet. Gotta admit, I like this box. This Carmelo Anthony looks pretty nice. And it features him on the Nuggets. Alright. Well, thank you for watching my first break. Take it easy.